Hi there, everybody. We're going to make a craft today. It's a DIY. You know these little lanterns that you can get at the Dollar Tree? We're going to do something with them. I just put some twine on this just in case you want to dress it up a little so it'd be cutesy. And I just used a ball of twine that was from the Dollar Tree that I keep on hand all the time. And I'm only going to make one of these lanterns, I think, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the other one. And I have a bunch of little fairies, and you're going to see what I'm going to do with them. It's amazing. So I'm going to bring you down just like this. Whoops. Hopefully you'll stay there. These are the little lanterns. I want to show you that these little candles, they pop right out. So you can replace these. I don't know if you knew that, but you can replace them, and you just take them and you pop them right back in. Pop out, pop in. Whoops. Just like that. So we're going to start with this one. And this is with the twine and without the twine. That depends on how you want to dress it up. Now look at these little things that can go in here. This is for a fairy house or put in your plant pots or whatever you want to do. So what I'm going to do, and also we need some moss. And I have that over here next to me because moss makes quite a mess. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to pick and choose here. What do I want? Oh, let me see. These look like little babies. Okay. I think I'll take this one and this one. And you need glue or hot glue. I'm going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to use these two. So I want to make sure this is popped up, and it is. I'm going to take it. We're going to put some hot glue right there. I've been burning my fingers. As you can see, I've got a burn mark there, and I had a burn mark there, and I got a burn mark there. I've been having a wicked time burning. You want to put these in very carefully. And where are we going to set her? We're going to set her, I think we're going to set her right there. Like that. Whoops. Okay. I got to hold it for a minute. I've been outside mowing this morning. Oh, Lord, it was 83. In the last 2 days, I've gone through 5 gallons of diesel. That's a lot. Okay, how is she? She's pretty stable. So we're going to put her there. And we're going to put this one right here. We're going to glue it down. Hopefully I don't get burnt. Where are we going to put her? We're going to put her kind of next to this one. Got to get them in there. It's kind of like you're all fingers, but it's really cute when it's all done. Okay, I got her in there. Just like that. And there's a switch on the bottom that turns it on and off. Okay, let's see. That one's secure. This one here is not quite secure yet. Excuse me. Excuse me. Leaves are coming out on the trees and stuff are falling. Buds and little things are flying all over, and I've got the windows open. Oh, pardon me. There. Now, hold on a minute. Sorry about that. I could not stop sneezing. Okay, now we're going to take some moss. We're going to move this out of the way. Moss is very messy, as you well know. I think this amount is more than enough what we will need. This is my working table, so it's really used and abused. You want to take some of this. You want to kind of roll it. And you want to put some glue on it. Just like this. And you want to stick it. I have my finger protectors. And you want to just push it down in there and stick it in, which is kind of hard. Just like that. And I'm going to go all the way around and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back and I'm all finished. And here's number 1 right here. Isn't this just the cutest? And watch this. There's the light. And you could put this in a fairy garden. You could just hang it in a tree. You could sit it on the table. Whatever you'd like to do. And all you need is a lantern. And you get 3 or 4 of these little baby gnomes or gnome pieces at the Dollar Tree. So, and the moss you can get at the Dollar Tree. And I have a whole container left over. So this is my DIY. So cute. I'll be putting that with something I'm making. I'm just waiting on Ray to come up with an idea. I need a good piece of board. And here is another one I made. I didn't put the jute cord on it. And look, I put a frog and a turtle. And the turtle's standing on his feet. And again, this one lights. How cute is that? So here we go. I hope you enjoyed my craft today. It's very simple. It's very easy. You could do it by yourself. Take it to a senior center. Let the grandkids do it. You might want to use a nice glue that will adhere so they don't use a glue gun and burn their fingers. But I didn't burn mine today, but I've burned them a lot last week. So have a great day. God bless. And when it gets cooler, I'm going back out to mow. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.